Okay, and then I want these clippers, this rake, and that might be about it. That's about all I need right now. And then I'll maybe come back and get the shovel so we can put some dirt or something over those like logs that are laid down and stuff. So, alright, let me take you out there and go like scope it out with you. Okay, here we go. Alright, so let's scope it out. So I'm thinking, come down from right here. And there's gonna be a small bank right here. And then a small bank right there, and go off that bank. And you keep going this way. You can kind of see like that path right there. And that's like that. You can keep following this path. And then we're going to have it right here, branch off that way, and branch off that way. That way so you can keep going on the path. This is probably just like a little exit to the main path. And then, so you keep going, keep going. I'm going to cut all this down right here. And you go through there. And you see that log right there? Probably going to put dirt over that. So it's like just a little hump or something. And move that log right there. And maybe try to like scooch them or something. And then you come out up there. Because up there is where the main path ends. And you come out on the main path right there. So yeah. Alright, hold on. I'm seeing the progress so far. Alright, so far, we've got this done. You probably can't really see it very well, but you see, you go down here, and then extend from that, cut it, and you go over this part right here, and you can kind of see the outline. I'll put like sticks on the side so you can like see the outline, but that's about how far we've gotten. You can see like the leaves right there. So we still got all that to do. Okay, let's get back to it. Okay, so we got like an idea for the ramp here. And so this log right here is going to turn into it. But basically, we're going to find a log that's a little bit smaller than this, put it right there. One that's a little bit smaller than that one, put it right there, right there. Just kind of like stack it like that. Although I was thinking about doing something else. I feel like this is not going to be tall enough if we do that. Maybe I could like dig out a little bit right here. So it like dips down and then goes up. I don't know. We'll see. I'll check back with you when I find the logs. Okay, now I've got all the logs here. I tried my best to go from biggest to smallest. But it won't really matter in the end, as long as they're decently smaller than each other a little bit. So I'm just gonna fill it in with mulch, and then like pack dirt on top of it. Or I'm either gonna fill it in with mulch first and then pack dirt, or pack dirt and then fill mulch. But I think I'm just going to fill it with complete mulch right now, and then maybe later I'll put some dirt here and there. But all right, hold on, let me fill it in. Okay, this is after 2 goats. So I ended up we had this old like rock climbing thing, went to a play set or something, and I took it and laid it down. So the jump's a little bit taller, because I feel like just putting the logs wasn't tall enough. So I mean, it's pretty secure. I need to get another load of mulch so I can fill in the rest of the gaps, and so I can make it like a gradual income on this part. So, yep, we'll get more mulch. Okay, I think that was the last load of mulch that I needed. Now I need a load of dirt. Just cover that in dirt. And then cover the sides and stuff. And then I feel like I should do something about back here. So I don't know, I feel like I'm gonna hit that. I mean, hopefully I can get enough speed to clear that part right there, but hard to see. Okay, I just got the dirt on it, and it's looking pretty good, to be honest. I need to go grab a shovel and pat it down, compact it, and then I'll be testing it. Alright, let me go grab the shovel real quick.